It's KJ Beauty here and welcome back to my channel. Happy to see you and happy to have you back. Before we start, go ahead and subscribe and like this video. So let's get started. I'm gonna part the side, whichever side part that is, that's your preference, and I'm gonna go with edge wax and I'm gonna apply that on the side of her hair. That's because I want this side to be as sleek and smooth as possible. As you guys can tell from the title, this tutorial is a no cornrow tutorial. So for those of you that don't know how to braid, so this is super easy for you guys. Like because her hair is short, I have to braid the side so it can stay as sleek as I want it. But again, you can just pull this into a ponytail, like just have a side part and put it into a ponytail, a low ponytail, and you can go from there. And again, because I want the side part to be as slick as possible, so again, the best way to do that is to braid it, and all of that is gonna be covered. So all of that will be covered under the crochet, so it won't be showing. So yeah, so this is the easiest way for those of you that don't know how to braid and cornrow is just too much. And this is really quick and easy, and it lasts just as long. Now I'm applying some more edge wax into her edges, just to have that slick and sleek down. And again, like, it depends on what type of hair you have. This edge wax, I had to use it with water so it can stay, and I did apply some gel because I feel like it didn't hold as well as I wanted it to. So it just depends. Like, I was just trying to see if it worked. But I don't think I'll be buying it again because it doesn't last as long, especially on 4C hair. The hair that I will be using today is the XPression looped bounce twist. This one is the 8 inches and in the color 1T30. So I love this curl pattern. It is so nice, and the color is also like a very vibrant brownish color, and I really like it. So I'm gonna show you guys how I cover the back piece, the ponytail. If you do have longer hair, what you can do is braid the ends into 2 instead of 1 braid. You have 2 separate braids so you can make it so you can have a tighter donut instead of having one big donut. The pack had 3 separate sections in it, so each strand of crochet hair had a rubber band, so it makes it easier for those of you that don't exactly know how to crochet, how to loop it. So this makes it easier to have your loop tighter so it won't like move. So all you have to do is just adjust the rubber band that's in it so you can have enough space to put your fingers in, and then you can hook that to the crochet and pull it through and just kind of loop your hair through, and that's that. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and cover the back. And again, this hair is a little bit voluminous. After a while it'll become voluminous, so I try not to apply too much at the back, so I just kind of space them out, as you guys will see. So if you're doing this style, I'm suggesting that you space it out so you wouldn't have like a bulky, your hair wouldn't look bulky or too voluminous. I ended up using I ended up using 1.5 packs. So 1.5 packs did the whole head of hair, and it still looks super full. So yeah, and I like how it looks. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did the parting, the invisible parting. So your parting can look as natural as possible. What I'm doing is once I loop the crochet hair through the crochet, once I hook the crochet hair to the crochet, before I loop it in, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna slowly split the hair into two. Sometimes it naturally split into two by itself. You can see where it naturally split, so I will normally use that, and if not, I just try to split it carefully without disturbing the curls, so it won't look too fuzzy. And then I just pulled one strand of hair through the loop, and then that's it. So as you guys can see, I'm doing it again. Loop the hair through. Only one strand of hair is gonna be pulled through the loop, and voila, and here it is. So this is how it's looking right now. The parting looks super natural, and I'm just gonna go in with my scissors, and I'm just gonna cut some ends so they can look even, because some ends were a little too long. And so I just kind of fix the hair so I can shape it how I like. Then using the edge wax again, I'm just gonna go ahead and fix her edges and her baby hair. And because, like I said, it didn't hold as I wanted it to, so I had to add got to be glue to it, just a little bit on top of the hair so it can stay and last, because I didn't like how it just, you know, it's not the best for 4C hair. Honestly, it's not. So And I will be doing a giveaway with this hair. So I wanted to give back to you guys for reaching 10K subscribers. So all you gotta do for this giveaway is go ahead and you have to follow me on IG. You're gonna have to like the post about this hairstyle. I will be posting the post about this hairstyle. Go ahead and like it and just comment done under this post with your IG handle, and I will be choosing 1 or 2 of you for this giveaway. And I will see you beautiful people on my next video. Bye.